Well, people, Christy and I, we just galloped our horse and chariot right here behind us, right into the mountains. Check this out. Christy's already soaking in the view. Anyways, y'all, so it's been kind of like a crazy past week or so for Christy and I. We had this Florida trip planned for like pretty much a whole year and wanted to show you guys some really awesome fishing. But yeah, we just wanted to be smart. And anyways, you guys,
well, we definitely ain't in Kansas anymore.
We're in the mountains.
We are.
We're at Wintergreen, Virginia.
Y'all, we went from 90-degree Florida beach weather to I am wearing a cowboy hat and camo and hiking boots up here in the beautiful Blue Ridge Mountains.
Look at this view though. We just drove from Tampa at pretty much midnight. I woke up Christy. We had just gotten done fishing with Captain Rob Gorda down in Tampa, and Christy, she wanted to catch her first snook, and she caught like a 36-inch snook.
I did.
So if y'all haven't seen that video, make sure y'all check that out, because that's going to be the last video that we posted before this one. And I woke up at midnight, and I just looked at Christy, and I was like, this really isn't wise of us to be staying in new hotels every night. You know, beaches are shutting down, boat ramps are shutting down. So anyways, we just decided to come back and just hang out. We've got a family house up here in the mountains, and who knows what we're gonna get into. So hopefully you guys are just taking this opportunity to, I don't know, just talk to friends and maybe accomplish goals or think about goals. Maybe you're wanting to start your own YouTube channel. Anyways, y'all, we're just up here right now. Wanted to give you guys a quick update, and we might go snowboarding. Here she blows. All right, snowboarding in Wintergreen. Late March, early April. Might not be legal. There it is. All right, people, here we are. We're back at our house. Finally back from Florida. And that was a doozy. We drove all the way down to Florida, and
it was just a lot of driving.
Yes.
Too much driving.
But we're back. We're back at our new house and our new crib, dwelling, whatever. And so anyways, you guys, we're just gonna give y'all a quick little walkthrough of our new little house. This is our new place. Christy is gonna show you
around
the kitchen.
Here's our massive kitchen, so big. This is where all the Anderson kitchen stuff happens, right in here, my sous chef responsibilities, and where Jeff flays all his fish. This is our cute little living room. It's a small little space, but we love it. It's home.
Okay, here's Christy's office in here.
This is my office / workout space right here.
Self-quarantine, working out.
That's right, yep. Gotta stay fit even when you're home.
Check it out. We've got our fish art on the wall.
Yep.
We need more of it.
Totally. All right, are you gonna show them your office? It's
Yeah.
a little scary down there.
I know. All right, so this is Christy's beautiful office in here.
Yeah.
Looks like something out of like Pinterest or IKEA, some furniture store. Now we're gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna show y'all the dungeon, my office.
I'm scared for y'all. Good luck.
Wow. Thank you. All right, people, so actually this is like office. This is where I have all my fishing gear, and I'm pretty stoked on this because it's kind of a new setup, but please, no judgment, because we literally moved in 2 days before we left to Florida, came back to Florida, and this is kind of how I left it. So please, no judgment. Here it is. So check it out. So this is like my new desk right here. This is where I edit all my videos. And yes, in case you're wondering, this is a garage. It's a lot smaller, but it's okay. Christy and I, we actually had to move out from our old place. And so this place right here, there's kind of a backstory to why we live here right now and why all of our stuff just looks kind of all over the place right now. But this, I'm pretty stoked on it because, I don't know, it's just my little office. I've got my palm tree to put out the vibes, golf clubs, and fishing tackle, everything. I really kind of organized. So I really actually organized all my fishing gear and everything. So I actually want to show y'all some new fishing gear that Christy and I are going to be using, and just some new stuff that we got that y'all probably would like to see. But check this out. We got to tour the Mirrolure Factory. Check out this. Oh, look at this. Electric chicken and Mardi Gras. people, those are the only two colors that y'all need to know, in my opinion, for Mirrolure, are electric chicken right here and Mardi Gras. Boom, right here. These are my two favorite colors. If I only had two, those would be it. But y'all, this right here, so this right here, just a big old box of fun. Speckled trout for days, redfish, everything. So anyways, y'all, we got top water. What did I get? Let's see, I got some top water. This is the Top Dog Junior. It was pretty cool going to the Mirrolure Factory because we got to actually like learn, you know, how like each lure is named and why it's named that. So this is the C20MR, and honestly the numbers just kind of like notate like the size of the lure. So like a smaller one, or this is an XL, so this should be a 27, which it is. This is a 27MR, so this is a Mirrodine XL. And then so it's 27MR MG, so MG is the color code, and that's Mardi Gras. And I don't really pay too much attention to all the nitty gritty, but that is pretty cool that we got to learn about all that. So let's see, what else did I get? But I absolutely love this lure right here. This is like the official like speckled trout and redfish. Like this right here like slays the speckled trout and redfish. Also, another fun fact that I did not know about Mirrolure is check out all these soft plastics. These right here look amazing. So they're soft plastics and they're actually like scented. So let me actually like take one out of the bag and show y'all. All right, so I had to put the camera down for a second because it's really hard to open a bag and hold the camera at the same time. But y'all, look at these. Hold on, let me put this up against a better backdrop so y'all can see this. I had no idea that Mirrolure made soft plastics. Yeah, that looks pretty juicy right there, people. So that's like a, I don't know, it looks like a 3-inch like small profile, but man, this could catch everything from redfish, trout, snook, striper, everything. So I really like this color too, right here. So kind of resembles like a shrimp, little bait fish color, chartreuse tail. And yeah, so you guys, these Mirrolures, the soft plastics, they look amazing. Then they've got like natural color. So these are like, you know, clear natural colors. Probably be good in Florida. Dang, this color right here looks like it would be the bomb up here. It's got a little glitter to it, a little glow. I really like the paddle tails on those. Probably has some pretty good action in the water, but this color right here is probably what I'm going to be using in Virginia, North Carolina, and a little bit more of this in the clear water, like Florida area and all that. So anyways, y'all, I just wanted to show you all that because that was really cool. While we were in Florida, we got to tour the Mirrolure Factory and see how the Mirrolures were made. It's really, really cool. It's awesome. So yeah, and what else do I have to show y'all? Oh yeah, fly fishing is something that Christy and I are like really going to be getting into. So we picked up, y'all probably seen it in some of our videos, but we picked up the Orvis. This is the Helios. This is the Orvis Helios 3D. So this one is our 8-weight, and we've been using this one quite a bit actually. So we've been using the fly rods quite a bit. So we actually got 3 of them. So we got 2 8-weights, and then my 10-weight is right over there by my golf club. All right, so I've got, oh, there's Christy right there. Yep. So you guys, actually, the next thing I was gonna talk about is these lightning kayaks. Which, by the way, I was just checking out like Robert Field's Instagram, and Christy told me too that like Lightning is doing something really cool for like with the coronavirus right now, right?
Yeah, right now, you guys, Lightning Kayaks, go check out their Instagram, and Robert Fields, what he's doing. I love, love, love that these guys are kind of shifting their focus. Right now, you guys can donate, I think it's $5 for each face mask. And these face masks, I believe, are gonna be going to first responders, people in the medical field. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. We're gonna be donating, and it's just a really awesome way for you guys when you're home, or if you guys are out in the field, to help out your community. Super easy. Go ahead, go check out both of their Instagrams, but Lightning Kayaks definitely is kind of getting on board with a little community love.
Yeah, so you guys definitely check that out. I think it's really cool that they're utilizing like I think it's like they're utilizing some of their resources that they use to make kayaks to help to make like medical stuff.
Yeah,
I don't know.
Is really cool.
I just saw a quick Instagram post about it, and Christy and I, we use Lightning kayaks. So we definitely wanted to give Lightning a big shout out. That's really, really awesome, because in this time, Lord knows we need some positivity right now in this world. So you guys, check this out. So this rod right here, Christy's gonna model, this is made just for sheep's head fishing. So it's like short.
Sick.
What's the length on it?
5 feet 11 inches. Y'all, if you guys are looking to get on some sheep's head this summer, especially if you guys are fishing the Chesapeake Bay Bridge tunnels, you guys know that the tubes and pilings absolutely crush it for some tog, sheep's head, and these shorter rods get it done. So with this Toadfish 5 feet 11 inch medium extra fast, this would get you hooked up. Yeah, so these shorter rods, y'all, like obviously when you're fishing around bridges and docks and everything, Toadfish made a rod specifically for sheep's head, so it's pretty cool. Awesome.
Hopefully we can use that. So you're probably wondering, Jeff, where are all your surfboards and everything? Well, let's see. Yikes. There's this, yeah, okay. Yeah, that's, sorry. Yeah, we have all of our spear gear and surfboards in there. Oh yeah, and there's our spear guns that we were supposed to use in Florida, but obviously that didn't happen, so hopefully we can use those. So also we have mystery tackle box, which we're gonna be putting these to use actually on some saltwater fish. So we were supposed to do a bunch of stuff with MTB down in Florida, but obviously that didn't happen. So this is kind of my desk right here, everything. So have some new lures, got our new reels, all of our new Florida fishing reels, which by the way, I'm super bummed out because we haven't even been able to put these to use, which we were supposed to be catching tarpon on our brand new Florida fishing products. And you know, even our 8000 series Osprey, that we still haven't even strung up because we weren't able to use it. So, but yeah, so that's it, y'all. We're just living pretty simply. We're just living super simple right now. Honestly, all I need right now is food, water, sleep, our house, and just the opportunity to go fishing. You know, so anyways, in the state of Virginia, you know, you can actually exercise and go fishing. So that's really, I'm pretty stoked that I can still fish and provide y'all some content, you know, throughout the pandemic that we're going through right now. But yeah, so that's it. If you guys haven't seen, I also have like a new tackle box right here, and this is like amazing. Kirsty got me this for Christmas, and yeah, I just have all my jig heads right here, hard plastics, and then this handy dandy apparatus right here has, if I can open it, has all my flies, which got all jacked up. But anyways, yeah, so these are like all my flies right here that we will definitely be doing more fly fishing, especially for some redfish and everything. So yeah, what else do I have? But anyways, y'all, that's it. That's kind of our new house, our dwelling, everything, our new crib. So anyways, y'all, we just wanted to show y'all that, let y'all know that we are back from Florida.
All right, and also we just want to preface that Jeff and I were not just doing tons of traveling in the midst of the virus. We actually got to Florida, had this trip planned for about a year, and once we got there, things started to get pretty bad all over the place. So we actually hightailed it out of Florida back home to our home state.
I woke up Christy at midnight in our hotel room, and I was like, babe, we gotta bail.
Yeah, once they started canceling like the Masters and all the sporting events, that's when we realized, wow, we need to get back down, well, get back up north to Virginia. So y'all, we are now staying home, staying safe. We are ordering in groceries, pretty much doing everything and anything that we can. The only thing that we are doing is getting out on our boat for a little kind of free time. That's kind of our exercise, just to get outside, get some vitamin D. We're not touching anything. We're being super careful. So this is just kind of a message from us to y'all, just to encourage you guys. Definitely find something that you guys can do every day to whether get outside, go for a run, but be safe, be careful, and yeah.
That's it. All right, y'all. So y'all stay safe, and we're gonna have actually a lot of videos coming out because Christy and I have been self-quarantining on our boat too. So you guys just be smart, be safe, and hopefully y'all are doing well in the self-quarantine.
That's right, you guys. If y'all are up to anything exciting this week, go ahead and drop us a line below. We want to hear what you guys are all up to while you guys are staying at home. So, or going for walks outside.
That's right. All right, people.
See you guys next time.
Peace.